What's up guys, what's going on? So today's video is going to be a little bit different. You can tell by the thumbnail. Obviously this is Daytona related. We're going to get to that in just a second. Before we jump into the video, I want to give a huge Bread Gang shout out to the sponsor of today's video. It's going to be at Sharktail Hitch. Sharktail Hitch is the one of a kind, less than 10 on the market right now, all-in-one flagpole hitch mount. You guys can find the link to their, I don't know if they have a website yet, link to their Instagram in the description below with a 10% off discount code. Use the code THATWIDE2020 for 10% off of your total purchase. Best hitch on the market. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna be flying flags all the damn time now. But we're gonna jump into the video today. So I got some bad news for you guys. One, obviously most of you guys can tell, Daytona Truck Meet this year has been moved to September. So for June, it's been canceled. It's not clickbait, it has been canceled until September. And two, I left my camera at work. So I had a completely different video planned for you guys today. And you know, that kind of got messed up because I left my camera at work and I can't come home and edit tonight. We're on the road to 100 videos straight. I think today is day 69 or 70, one of the two, I can't remember. And we're going for 100 days. We're 30 days left, pretty much, 31 days, 1 month left till we hit 100 days straight. And during that time, I've been trying to do once a week a YouTube rewind of one of my old videos. A lot of you are new to the channel. You haven't seen some of my old videos. Some of my old videos are pretty freaking awesome. So what I'm gonna do, especially because it should have been Daytona weekend, I'm gonna roll pretty much the whole video of my Daytona trip last year. Unfortunately, the truck did not make the trip with me. My front end took a dump on me like a week, 2 weeks before Daytona, unfortunately. But so you won't get to see the truck in the video, but you'll get to see a lot of familiar faces, a lot of awesome content, a lot of awesome trucks. So I hope you guys enjoy this content for the day. You guys are the best. I will see you guys later. Enjoy the video. There's no better way to start Daytona Truck Meet 2019 than that. So I got a lot going on today. If you like the video, if you want to join the Bread Gang, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You already know what's going on today, so I'm not even gonna say anything. Let's go. It's raining. Special guest. We made it. There's a lot of freaking people here. I don't even know where to start, but we're just gonna go around, meet some people, have some fun, see how the day goes. Hopefully this rain will come and go, and I don't know, it's Bread Gang. Quarter loaf. I haven't been out here for like 5 minutes and I've already found the myth, the legend. He's changed the name, but it's Gas or Kenneth. Even though he's changed the name. Is there anything that you want to say to the Bread Gang while I got you real quick?
I will always be the legend.
Always.
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 First Augusta Truck Meet, breaking up fight.
First Augusta Truck Meet to Daytona Truck Meet 2019. We're coming a long way, man. He's got the wheel lights done. He's got a lot of stuff painted. I'm gonna get together with him at some point because we got a lot of stuff to look at. But stay tuned, make sure to give him a follow. Link in the description. Go follow my man. I wanna make it known right now that if I ever get big enough to really do something like this, I am gonna put boggers on something. It's gonna happen. I'm not a Ford guy, but holy, where my taco fans at? Holy crap. Gee. The biggest section of the show, probably the most expensive section of the show, the American Force booth. I mean, just millions of dollars of trucks. Like, I mean, there's just so much to look at out here. It's, I mean, coming in one day and trying to take all this in, it's... Now this is the definition of a work truck. Any level lift, American Force wheels, I mean, absolutely insane. Jeez. What is this? 26s on a work truck. Woo. closest thing I'm gonna get to seeing my truck today. I love the, honestly, I know on the channel I've said I hate the silver, but when I see it like this, the silver's beautiful. It's got enough silver with enough color underneath that, I mean, I love this truck. I would drive the hell out of this thing. This might be the coolest thing at the show. I would lift the hell out of this thing. Look at the light bar on top and all. At Magnus 2 Raw. Hey, I like that. So we've made it to my favorite part of the show currently, mainly because one, look who it is. Holy crap. I haven't met him yet. He's not here yet, but here's the truck. Ryan, I know you're gonna watch this, hopefully. This thing is awesome. I freaking love this. I don't know if it's the, you know, Ninja Turtle or the Joker or what you want to call it, but I love this thing, man. Did a good job on it. Huge shout out to RBP, looks great. I actually really like that. That's freaking awesome. It's got like an army green to the wheels with this kind of old army looking wrap on it. Man, that's freaking awesome. So much cool stuff out here to see, guys. If you've never been, got the Gen Y hitch on the back. Jeez. RBP might have my favorite truck of the day. Red and black, man. Y'all know that's me. Y'all know the red and black. Ooh. I'm sorry, Chevy takes the cake. They have the coolest truck out here. Chevy officially wins. That's freaking insane. Bags and all. Sorry, Ford, Chevy wins. I'm saying it right now, Chevy wins. Finished up at the show, met some awesome people, saw a lot of great trucks. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Day's not over. It's like 11, 12. We still got a lot of stuff to do, so we're just gonna keep moving. Gonna keep getting this bread. You know how we do. Man, it has been a day here in Daytona. The rain is starting to come in. I'm headed back. Been to the show, been to the beach. It's been a great time. Daytona Truck Meet 2019, as of right now, is in the books. It's been a time. Huge shout out to everybody. Thank you so much. If y'all liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. Join the bread gang. Hit the subscribe button as well. I mean, there's nothing else left to say, but I mean, y'all already know what it is. Let's get this bread. Yes, sir.